Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to this new video. My name is Wendy, but you probably already know that if you are watching live right now. Today I want to show you how to pick a ripe grapefruit. And sometimes I hear people say, I don't like grapefruit. And maybe you're one of those people who think they don't like grapefruit, but actually might love them in the end. So today I got myself a box of grapefruits. I'll show you. So a whole lot of them. I think there were 12. There are now only 6 left, so I'm halfway. And I want to pick the ripest one at this moment. And the one that are not the best yet, they have to wait another few days or maybe another week. So when you're in a supermarket or in a market and you want to find the best grapefruit for you at that moment, you have a couple of choices. So first of all, so you got these two. First of all, you're going to look at the color. When you approach your bag of grapefruits, what do you look for? I know that most people with a little bit of experience get a feeling on, okay, this one looks really good. I noticed that now from a distance I can pick the ripest one. So I'm going to help you find the ripest one as well. So, the color. So we got this, what do we call it? Hi Miriam, nice for you to watch. So we got this yellowish color. I don't know, how is the color actually? So you got this yellowish color, and then when you turn it around, it's maybe a little bit more red. So when you're looking for colors, you want to see if it's got this little bit orangey red going on. So that's the first thing. Hi Marike, hi Jordi. So you want to look for that first. And we see this reddish color. Okay, then we're going for that one. After that, you want to pick one up. So you're feeling... All right, what do you feel? What do you look for when you're touching? Okay, I can push this in a little bit. I'm just pushing it in. And it feels a little bit hollow here at the top. That's usually not a good sign. It's not that bad, but it's usually not the best sign. This one, on the other hand, you can push in as well. And underneath, I can feel the flesh all the way around. So this one's a little bit hollow at some places, and this one I can feel. Okay, so on this one, the peel's very thick. Might not be the worst sign, but it's harder to decide if this one is right. If you feel that you can feel the lobes below, like I got this grapefruit peel, and you feel that these round curves, if you can feel them underneath the peel, then you're on the right track. So what do we want to do? First, when you approach, watch the color. You don't want it pale, you want it a little bit orange with a little bit red here and there. And then you want to touch it, and when you touch it, you want to feel these lobes below. And when you're in your hand anyway, you can find where these stems are. And you smell. I can smell, okay, I smell most of the peel, but also a little sweet. And on this one, it smells like tree or something. Like if I take a leaf and I cut it. So if I want to choose, obviously this is the ripest one of these two. But it doesn't necessarily say that this is really a bad one. So that's the hard part. But if you want to go for choices and you want to go for grapefruit anyway, just pick those and just look Are they nice round? Are they nice full with moisture, with fluids? Do you feel the lobes below? Are they red? Does it smell good? And then we're opening it up. So I cut one open. How do you open a grapefruit? So first of all, I'm gonna go for this one. And it's like an orange. You just like make a cross in the middle. And now if you want, you can go all the way around. And I know this one has been lying in the garage for 2 weeks now. So the peel is a little bit too soft. But still, I believe from a distance, this is the ripest one. So I make this go around. If you have these nice orange peel things, you can use that one. Okay, so we're at the middle. And then you open it up. And if you're lucky, we can see the flesh right away. If we're not lucky, we got all this white stuff going on. So I can try from the other side. See how that goes. Yeah, so today we got white. All right, I'm going to go for the next one. But what I also noticed on this one is that you see that it's not thick white. It is fairly thin, and you can see the lumps. See the lumps that I was feeling before. So the texture. So what you really want is this. That if you open it up, you immediately see this pink shining through, right? Because we don't like the white that much. Most people don't like. Okay, now I'm coming towards the white, still peeling it off, right? So the white is actually really good. Wow, we never knew that, right? So the white has antifungal properties, anti-parasitic properties, and the white plus the seeds are actually used to make a tincture that helps you with worms, little worms, big worms, bad gut flora, and fungus, so candida. That's what it's used to. So they make a medicine out of that. But of course we know better that nature doesn't really need human-made medicines. Well, occasionally we do, but what we can also do is have a lot of grapefruits. But maybe we need a lot of grapefruits to get rid of all this fungus, bad bacteria. So what do we do? Because we can do one thing, and that's eat these grapefruits all day long. But maybe you don't want to eat grapefruit all day long. So what do? I'm taking the slow juicer, which is over there, and I'll show you. So here's the slow juicer. Let me change this. Okay, so that's my rubbish, don't mind that. So I take the slow juicer. I already juiced some, and then I make this lovely juice. See? So by juicing it, you don't have to peel it all the way down to this because you don't have any white. You could just, have this, take off one piece and throw it in like that. And if you have a grapefruit which is organic and has seeds in it, and you're on a fast, you might even see those worms or this fungus stuff leave you. So maybe that's not a very delicious topic, I'd say, because the grapefruit is delicious, but it will help you getting rid of those funguses and some worms and stuff. So it will work on, let's say, the baby worms, so that when the worms are in your stomach or in your gut, let's say everybody has it, right? Everybody has it, so don't worry about it. It's normal. But you don't want too many of the bad ones because they'll make you feel tired. They make you crave things. And that's not what we want. We want to be in control, feel light and happy. So if you have an organic one, which has white and seeds in it, they work the best. If you put it in the slow juicer, you can like drink, I think this is 3 grapefruits. You can just drink it throughout the day, but especially drink it on an empty stomach, because then it will help you get rid of this bad gut flora. So don't get rid of the white if you want that. And if you want to have and enjoy a beautiful citrus, melange, fruity breakfast, you'll take the peel, and I'll show you how to do that. You see that in the middle there are always openings. You just choose one opening, put your thumb behind it like that, and then open it up like that. And then, ta-da! Okay, so open it like this, and take off like that. So that's the way we want it. All right, so thank you all for watching on this grapefruit episode. If you have any questions on grapefruit and how it can help you, or if you have difficulties eating grapefruit because you use certain medicine, I love to hear about that too. I'm very curious how this works, because I know grapefruit has other properties too. It breaks down toxins, it breaks down chemicals, and that's, I believe, a positive topic, a positive effect of eating or drinking grapefruit juice or eating grapefruits. But I also know that if you take medications, like chemical medications from your doctor, grapefruit might even break down the medication before it starts doing something. And then you have taken your medication for nothing. So that's why doctors warn you about that. If you quit medication, if you have been in a hospital or you've been ill, you've been taking something, it's very good to drink grapefruit afterwards, because it'll help break down the residue in your body and help you clean your body, make you feel lighter, happy, and have more energy. And I think now I'm going to finish making my grapefruit juice and enjoy my breakfast. And thank you very much for watching. If this video was as value to you, well, just give it a thumbs up, even though the thumb has grapefruit, and press like in the button below. Thank you very much, and see you the next time. Bye bye.